Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And for today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I organize my phone because I really love my phone when it's organized. So without further ado, let's start. This is my phone when I first buy it. It's look like this, nothing much, just a plain one. So guys, let's see if I can make it more like elegant and more minimalist and more aesthetic. So go to my phone and start organizing. So guys, this is the final look. I really love it. It's so aesthetic and I really love the plain white touch of like different colors. So here we have blue, red, yellow, green, purple, black, and assorted colors. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please give this video a like and share it to your friends. And please also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye guys.